Hey super swing traders, I hope you're doing good. Today we're going to take a look at some charts and see where we can identify supply and demand order flow and trade it for income. Let's take a look at the pound dollar and identify the supply and demand zone and see whether it is tradable or not. Now, as you know, the pound in general has been rallying. I think some of my friends told me because of Brexit. I don't know, I don't live in UK and I don't really follow Forex news at all because I just trade with supply and demand, so I don't need to know what the news is, what the fundamentals are, or volume, or anything like that. I just need to know where the big boys are buying and selling, and so yeah, I don't really know what it is, but okay. Take a look at the monthly. The monthly, you could draw the trend line down, but then this area of demand is in control again, or it has been in control for months, but then now it's rallying. So that's why even though it's tested 3 times, it's not good to short into it. And so yeah, I mean, if you can do a very aggressive counter trend short, in my opinion, because the basing is not good. You can see the basing is not very good, and it's been tested 3 times. But then because of the news or whatever, that it could go up. So you could do like a shorter term. You could do a shorter term short, and it worked because if you take the short based off this impulse, you see this candle that moved back up to here. It worked, and then it rallied again. But ideally, you don't want to short. You don't want to short while it's still in a monthly area of demand. Okay, so that, but then you draw this trend line, and once the month close, then yeah, it's valid long to go long. But then it doesn't matter. We can get rid of this trend line because, well, I'll keep it on, but you can get rid of it technically because monthly is, you have this bullish engulfing candle that's going to close above the trend line, and a new signal for price reversing off of this monthly area of demand. Then you have supply up here, so lots of room. None of these are valid supply. This one is. It created this one. So this one is, but you have lots of room to the upside. On the weekly, you have an area of demand created because price did a reversal, and so this area was an area of supply, but it was taken out. It worked for a little bit, and then it was taken out, and then created this new area of demand. Strong 2 white body candles to the upside, so that's a very, very strong area of demand. Want to go long right here, down here. And any supply zones we should be aware of? This one, but this one was taken out. We got, yeah, we do have this one. This one is a valid area of supply, and this one is valid too. So yeah, we got pretty strong obstacles ahead. Very strong obstacles of supply ahead. So okay, let's look at the daily. Daily, you can draw a clear uptrend, strong candles to the upside. Remove all this area of supply. And This is a supply. This zone is a supply. So price is in an area of supply, so ideally we want price to remove these areas of supply. But I think what it's going to do is it's going to give us the pullback to, so if the higher time frames supply zones are in control, I probably don't not want to go long here. I want to wait for the bigger retracement down here. Wait for it down here because this area is located inside this weekly area demand. So that's where I would want to go long. I don't think I want to, because it could bounce a little bit from here, but it's gonna go down, and that's where I want to buy it down here. That's why I have my alert set down here. Okay, and then 4 hour, same thing. Once supply zone on the higher time frames take control, it's gonna go down, and then it's gonna provide the 4 hour is good to go on the way up, go long on the way up, but when you have a higher time frame in control, supply zone, opposing zone in control, you don't wanna lean on these anymore. These are too small, too weak. You want to wait for a bigger pullback down here and buy, or wait until it gets down here and then buy. Okay. The game is a waiting game, so be patient and you will get your trades. Alright, so thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and leave a comment below. If you're not already subscribed, please click the subscribe button below and click that little bell icon. That way you'll get notified of the next video that I publish. Thanks again for watching.